What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get your sporting event tickets. So in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to get NBA tickets. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post a new video. So guys, let's jump straight to it. So let's say you want to buy a ticket for an NBA game. So let's just type in NBA over here in the search, and we are having NBA HBCU Classic game, G League, in-season tournament, draft, house, district, whatsoever, but we are having NBA basketball. So there are currently no upcoming events. So let's just type in NBA again. So what can we buy? We are having an NBA HBCU Classic game. So as you can see, Indianapolis, Cambridge Fieldhouse. So what is this? As you can see, United States, February 17. So there is a one result for it. So let's just type in NBA once again. So we're going to the main page. Let's just type in NBA All-Star Event. So NBA in-season tournament, there is 56 events over here. As you can see, Miami Heat, Washington Wizards. So basically you need to go in-season tournament tickets. So I've made a mistake. So as you can see, you can just buy tickets like this. So yeah, let's say November 14th, Brooklyn Nets versus Orlando Magic. Find tickets. So basically we're gonna accept, and as you can see, these are all the available tickets. So we are having front row, we are having all of these things over here. So guys, quite an easy process. Just type in NBA and then you need to select NBA in-season tournament. So as you can see over here, there are loads and loads of games. You can type in let's say you want to go to Brooklyn Nets game. I mispronounced it. Nets, maybe it will find. Okay, so we are having Brooklyn Nets over here, and these are all the events you can buy tickets for. So guys, quite an easy process. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next one.